You're gonna hold it steady?
Actually,
Does it work?
Just go back.
Okay, children.
Yeah.
Alright, look, I'm not gonna use your name because I don't want to put you on blast, but I'm YouTube living under a YouTube thing so that you can have this to look at when you study for your test Thursday, because this stuff is on your test. So let's review our drawings and our rules. Which one goes in the middle? Carbon or oxygen? Carbon goes in the middle. Put two oxygens here, one here, and connect them. Every time you draw a line, how many dots is that? Two. So now we got to get our total dots. So Graves, oh, sorry. How many dots does carbon have? 4. Okay, because it's in group 14. Oxygen has 6. There are 2 of them. So what is 4 plus 12?
It is
16 total. Okay, so I gotta have 16 total. I already have 2, 4, and Angel start on the outside in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. But this isn't good because not everybody equally shares. Oh, that's right, Norman. You gotta draw another line here. Okay, right there. But then that oxygen's good, but then on the other side too. Alright, boom, boom. Does everybody want to have 8? Yes. This oxygen wants to have 8, it has 8. So does carbon, so does oxygen. Okay, so I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 for carbon. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 for oxygen. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 for oxygen. They all are surrounded by 8. So that's the answer. That's the correct one. Alright? No, because I have lines. So all they want is 8, so I don't need any more extra dots. I still have a total of 16 here. I still have all of them. See, if you count everything, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, it still adds up to 16. Alright? Now, this one's a little tougher for you all because you don't know which one goes in the middle. Okay? Because they're both in the same group, right? I mean, they both can form 2 bonds, can't they? But here's how you know. Alright? Which is more electronegative? Look on the periodic table, you two, and tell me which one's more electronegative, oxygen or sulfur? Oxygen's more electronegative, okay? Sulfur's less electronegative. So the one that's less electronegative will go on the inside. So put sulfur on the inside, put oxygens on the outside. Okay? Alright, now, you over there.
Yes, sir.
How many dots will sulfur have?
Sulfur will
Yep.
have
6. How many dots will oxygen have?
6.
6. And I have 2 of them.
18.
So 6 plus 12 is?
18.
18. Okay, start by connecting them. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then 18. Now, there's something wrong here though. This oxygen's fine, it has 8. Sulfur's not. So what can we do? Same thing we did here, right? So now, erase those dots and put an extra one here. So now this oxygen has 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Sorry. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Do I have my total? Do I have 18? Let's see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Yep. Yep, we're all good.
So what if you put?
So, what if I put a double line on the other oxygen? That would be okay too, as long as I did this, Alexa. Okay, if you did this, that's the same thing, that'd be fine.
Why can't you put?
Put them on both? Alright, Alexa, if I do that, watch what happens. I put them on both. Now sulfur has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Does it want 10?
Oh, okay.
It doesn't want 10, it wants how many?
8.
Yes. Okay. Alright, next. An F3. Can you see okay? Yes? You can? Is it wiggle wobbly? An F3. Which one goes in the middle? Nitrogen goes in the middle. Okay, you got 3 fluorines. Alright, Mr. Dobbs. Nitrogen has 5. Because I knew that because this is the periodic table. Fluorine has 7. There's 3 of them. What's 5 plus 21? 26. Okay, connect them, Angel. 2, 4, 6. Now, it is best to start from the outside in. Lexa, it's best to start from the outside in and work your way in. Okay? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, now 26. See? You didn't see that, did you? No, you did not.
I did see all.
No, didn't see it. You were zoning out. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Everybody has how many?
8.
They have 8.
Yes.
You see that, Angel?
Yes.
Sleep?
No, I'm not asleep.
Yes, you are.
I wrote it down.
CCl4. Every time, Brandon, carbon goes in the middle every time. Period. When in doubt, carbon, middle. Carbon. In the middle, always carbon. Okay? Carbon always in the middle, all the time. What's that? 4 lines, you say? Carbon has 4 dots. That's 7, but there's 4 of them. 4 plus 21, or 4 plus 28 is?
32.
32. All right, here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Start from the outside in grays. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. Does everyone have 8? Are we surrounded by 8? Everybody? Yes, we do. That's it. See that, Akira? Yes, you do. All right, now, this one's a little bit tougher, okay? Put sulfur in the middle. Put oxygens around. What does this -2 mean? Did you lose 2 electrons or get 2 more electrons? Get 2 more. Okay, so sulfur has 6 dots. Each oxygen has 6, but we have 4 of them. And then you have a -2. So I have 6 plus 24. What's 6 plus 24?
6 plus 24 is 30.
30. And then Ethan, 2 more is 32. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Start from the outside in. The outside in. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. That's it. Everybody has 8 now. Sorry for the mess there. Right? Correct. Ashley, is that okay? All right, last one. I want to see you do.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to erase these here.
No, I need that for reference.
Alrighty, do this one. Let's see you do that. Go. PO43 negative. Okay, you tell me how to do it. What's the first thing I do?
Fine.
P where?
In the middle.
In the middle.
In the middle.
I mean, you got 4 lines branching off of it.
So I have 4 oxygens. How many total am I supposed to have?
5 plus.
What's this -3 mean?
29.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 5 plus 24, which is 29. And then what's that -3 mean?
32.
Plus 3, basically.
So that means total of 32 total. All right, PO4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought it was some at the end.
Hmm?
Ain't some at the end of the line?
Angels on
Ends of the line?
It's just known to be two.
Three.
Two dots.
I understand what you mean.
It's not supposed to be none at the end of those lines, like, I said it was,
Well, the line is 2. Remember? The line is 2. Yes, I could put dots on the end, yes. Typically in a textbook though, you won't find that because chemists draw molecules so fast, they're like, they just go so fast, okay? Even lazier and even faster, they don't even do that, they don't even put words, they don't even put symbols, they just go like this.
What about the extra,
Mhm.
what about the extra dots?
That's how chemists draw molecules.
that's what my,
Yeah, because they understand that every time the line points, every time it peaks, every time there's a point, like there's a point here, a point here, and a point here, it's a carbon. And if they don't put anything else, there's hydrogens on it. So they just do it so fast, they understand what that is. Okay? Look at that. And if I put a chlorine there, it's something different. That's PVC pipe. Yep.
What?
I just drink PVC pipe real fast, just like a chemist. So, the lines mean shared, they mean 2 shared electrons. Okay, class? Alright, last one we're gonna do, see if we can do it, see if we can figure it out, is very, very extremely poisonous one.
Okay.
Okay, this can kill people very, very quickly, except that it's really hard to poison people. HCN. What do you think CN is? Cyanide. So yes, this would be cyanide. Okay, HCN, hydrogen cyanide. Yes, you would use it to poison people with. However, it's really hard to poison people. All right, so draw HCN. Which one do you think goes in the middle, Brandon?
CN.
Always carbon. Hydrogen never goes in the middle, it's too small. So we have nitrogen. Alright, so 2, 4. How many do we have here? 1, 4, 5.
That's 10.
It's 1 plus 4 plus 5, that's 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Alexa, does that work?
nah,
No.
That doesn't work. Because carbon only has 2, nitrogen has everything. Is that fair? Not fair at all.
but we're gonna have to
So what are you gonna have to do?
Double up some lines.
Double up some lines. All right, let's double up a line here. Let's do this, right? We can do that?
Yup.
No, we cannot do that.
Why not?
You can never do that. Hydrogen can only have 2. It's too small.
Oh.
Hydrogen never has double bonds. So how about this? There we go. All right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nitrogen surrounded by 2, 4, 6, 8. Carbon surrounded by 6. That's okay, right? That's okay?
They all want 8.
They all want 8. So what else do we do? We're gonna have to do this again.
Uh-oh. You can do that for
Yes, you can do that for real. Okay, that's called a triple bond.
How many can you do?
Up to 3, that's it.
Unlegal? Illegal?
No, there's no rule that says you can't do that.
I'm not talking.
Okay? Alright, and that is how you draw Lewis structures. So when you guys check the YouTubes, okay? Lewis structures. You're just drawing covalent compounds. So everything we drew was just to the right of the staircase today, to the right of the red staircase, and we could draw compounds. That is Lewis structures. Okay, stop this one. Now don't delete it.